What's up, y'all? I'm doing a POV today, you know what I'm saying? So, it's gonna be cruising around the city, you know what I'm saying? This is the first time I done did this. I be cruising around a lot, so, you know what I'm saying? Like, why not just do a little POV for it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I should have probably did some stuff like this, especially how much I really be like messing around with my car and stuff. But, you know, I was slacking, but I'm back on it right now. So that's all that really matters anyways. I like to drive. Right now the car's not even in sport mode really. So then that's pretty cool. So I mean, for the sake of the video, you know, I guess we'll just smack it in sport. You know what I'm saying? So now you can sport right there. And yeah, I gotta check engine light. I already did everything to get it checked out. Had the OBD2 scanner, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I had them plug in and they popped the code up and it just said it's a little O2 sensor. You know, O2 sensor got unplugged, you know what I'm saying? So we'll fix that. Like, we'll just plug it back in and then the code will go away. It's nothing wrong with the engine, you know, car brand new, for real. I be doing oil changes, all the maintenance, you know what I'm saying, myself. So, you know, of course I would know that. But yeah, that's what I just be doing. I be cruising through the city. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, hold up, I hear somebody. Oh, that truck. That truck was trying to get in with me like I'm boss man. Stop playing. Oh yeah, this street always get backed up though. It always be somebody up this street. It be like one car, bruh, all the way in the front of the pack, cruising, going like stupid slow, bruh. Like speed limit say 35, they be up there going like 20. Scared. I don't know what they scared of, what they be doing, but it's all good. Hold on, watch this. Let me vent this so you can hear it a little bit louder too. It's slick cold outside. I ain't finna roll down no windows. But yeah, she sound pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I should have been recording videos about the car and everything that I be doing to it for real. I got a couple of mods done. Everything I didn't really did. I did all the mods myself except for cut the mids. It took a shot for that, you know. Shout out to my guys over there at that shop, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, I really did everything else. We got it lowered. She's on springs, so she sit nice. Punched that wicker bowl up in there, you know, drilled the holes and everything like that. Did that by myself. I also helped my boy do that to his whip too, you know what I'm saying? And then my other boy, I helped him out with his Charlie. Punched the holes in the back. He got wicker bill up on his. Tinted out the back tail lights like 2-3 times. The first time it bubbled up, you know what I'm saying? So I had to rip it off. I also had a design underneath from that boy Day Day. Most of y'all might know him. A lot of people who got these type of cars know about Day Day and what he be doing. Ooh, you hear that? You hear that? Had a little mini pop back there. You know what I'm saying? This joint sweet. Oh, hold up. Okay, little octane Rango. Them Rangos be hard though, bro. The other day I was cruising and I seen a Durango. That joint was all black, bro. He had some like satin black stripes on it. Had it drop. It was a RT, right? Boy had the windows rolled down, bro. Mexican dude up in there cruising straight, dogging it, man. Like he was really pushing that thing, bro. That's what I like to see, you know, people push their cars and have fun with their cars. Like, you know, that's what I like to do too. I just like to, you know, chill, have fun with it. Have fun with, you know, stuff you work hard for. Oh, that Mustang kind of cool over there. I don't really Mustangs like that because, bro, it's one. Hold up. I don't really Mustangs like that because the first time I ever got hit was a Mustang. And watch, we would get a yellow up here. That's crazy. It's always got to be an Eagles fan. You know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to them Eagles fans. You know, we thought y'all was gonna have a good year this year. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, bruh. Had people talking about we finna ban that play and everything, bruh. But shout out to them Eagles. For real, though. But yeah, like I was saying, though, you know what I'm saying? I don't really like Mustangs like that because, like, you know, I respect the builds and stuff like that. I respect the builds and stuff like that, you know, but I just can't really get with them because the first time I ever got into an accident, it was a Mustang, bro. It was a Mustang driver. He was driving, I don't know what year, bro, like probably like 08 or something like that. Bro's tires were bald. He wasn't a slider, nothing crazy like that. Bro was like underage, didn't have a license, no insurance, car wasn't registered, like the whole nine, bro. The craziest thing happened, everything, bro. I'm pulling onto the highway, bro. Guess what happened, bro? Bro smacked. Bro, look, everybody got on the highway. Everybody had to pump their brakes, cause if you know how that it be going through the tunnel over here, the HRBT. Boy, everybody stump on their brakes, cause that's what people like to do. And then so we all slowed down. I slowed down too. I didn't hit the dude in front of me or nothing until the dude that was behind my boy, following me behind, my boy TK was right behind me in a green Camaro. The Mustang sped up, smacked my boy TK into me, smacked my car. Boy, I couldn't even close my trunk. That's how hard he hit me. He hit me so hard that he messed up my boy TK car. I still ain't seen his car since that day. Still. I don't know what happened. Mustang boy totaled the whole thing out, coolant linking, everything, bro. The whole nine, bro. Like, ever since that day, bro, I can't mess with the Mustangs, bro. I just can't, bro. I'm not finna signal because I don't like that noise for real. This thing actually kind of loud, though. Hold up. This thing actually kind of loud, bro. Let's see if I can bust this UE. Let's see if I got it in me. Oh, it's kind of tight. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna smack that curb. I'm gonna smack that curb for sure. But yeah, that's why I just can't get with him, bro. Ever since that day, bro, it's just like, what's up? This truck he's trying to get saucy on me. He trying to get saucy on me. Hold up. Boy, this a 345. Don't play with me. This a 345. Don't play. I know y'all only would know about them scats, but trust me, I be keeping up with them and the 5-0s. Shoot. Until that top end kick in for real. You just gotta be a driver. You gotta have that driver model. You gotta have that dog in you. And I got that dog in me. For real. Real spill. Stop playing. Oh look, who that? Oh, it's an RT. It looked like an RT. Don't let it be a V6. I'm finna dog him as soon as his light turn green. Let me catch up with him. For real. I be cruising on the highway. I be chilling most of the time though. People be wanting to smoke with me. And I promise you, when I'm by myself, bro, it don't be too much smoke for real. As soon as I get somebody in the passenger seat, it be smoke. Okay, hold up. What this is? This is over here. Oh, yellow. Oh, there's a scatty. Left him. Left him. Don't play with me like that. In the pickup. Oh, don't try to play with me in the pickup like that. I will send you back to work. I will send you back to work. Hey, look. You're not getting a 30-minute lunch break no more. Clock in. Stop playing with him. Hold up. Let me see something else. But yeah, I usually be doing this off camera, so I figure why not? Let me just put it on camera. Talk a little bit to some of the people, you know, that like to see stuff like this. Cause I know before I had my car, I watched a bunch of videos like this too. And you know, just helped me to kind of chase after what I wanted. You know, I'm still trying to, you know what I'm saying? I'm still trying to go up with it. But we'll be patient and we'll rock out with this for now. Because there's so many different ways I could really try to go with it. I could either try to get that scat, get that cat, or we can really try to go get a little engine swap and everything like that. And that would be pretty sweet too, because then I could keep the same car. I was finna cruise down there today. They did a legal pit, which is cool. You know, I want to go to one of those because I be seeing the turnout and stuff like that. It be looking pretty straight and all. The only thing is it's just slick a hike, bro. It's slick a hike, and I ain't got no problem. If you really know me, I ain't got no problem with driving long distance for real. But you know, I just think it would be so much more lit if I had some people to cruise out with for real, you know what I'm saying? Because I can't really like, and then the other thing is I can't really slide the car right now because I don't really have my diff yet. I've been trying to get that diff. I'm trying to get that scat diff though, not the Hellcat, because you know the Hellcat, that 262. But I heard that 309 hit a little bit better. So I'm gonna keep looking out for the 309. And if I find it for a good price, then you know I'll pick it up. And then I'll start doing that too. Because right now I got one wheel pill. And like it's cool and all, you know, if the diff don't lock up. But you know, it be trying to lock up and stuff like that. So can't really cut up too crazy like that, but you know it's coming. It's always coming. We always striving for better around here. We always trying to upgrade. A little toaster, little toaster. See, I done told you this street light they get jammed up for real. It's probably the worst street to really do this cruising job on. So, cause look, bro, it's somebody all the way up there, bro, going like 20, bro. I'm telling you, going 20 every time. We got Buddy behind us too. That little work truck. Buddy want that get back. He want that smoke. For a Saturday though, I ain't seen too many people out here for real though. Little Tesla. Hey look, tell me if I'm the only one that noticed that Them boys that be driving them Teslas, them women, whoever be driving them Teslas, bro, they cannot drive. The other day, I seen a Tesla, bro pulled out the parking lot, skirted off in a Tesla, bro. No exhaust noise, nothing. All you hear is skirt. Battery. Look, here's another one. Look at him. He trying to dog me out so bad, bro. I will. Don't do that. Little baby tracky over here. Y'all better ask about me. I really got the will. She's singing though. She's singing. Look, bro, he still wanting smoke. What are you doing, bro? Go home. Go home, buddy. Look at buddy trying to, look, white line. You said stop playing with me, bro. Hold up. Nah, I ain't even finna do him like that, bro. I ain't even finna do him like that, for real, for real. Shit, maybe. Buddy's over there. Hold up. I need to get up over there. Hold up. I want some. Oh, that ain't my boy. That's not my boy. I'm telling y'all boys be sleeping on the 345 for real, for real. This the end of the POV. If you like this kind of content, you know, I'm gonna start uploading it. Hey, even if you don't like it, I'm gonna start uploading it, cause sure, it's cool. I'm gonna start uploading all the type of car stuff that I be doing up here. I've been slacking, but you know, I'm finna hop up there and really show what I be doing, you know, and have fun with it. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, stay easy. Doses.